In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use the show values as function in pivot table. So this is my pivot table and this is the gross revenue. This is the genre. So this is the gross revenue of the total action movies of all the countries. This is the total gross revenue of adventure movies and so on. If suppose you want to show to your audience the percentage of these movies, so then you have to use the show values as. So what you have to do, it is very simple, just right click here and here show values as. By default it is no calculation. Here I am going to show you how you will convert these big figures in percentage. So see, percentage of grand total and percentage of column total, here they both will give you the same result. I'm going to use the grand total. Click on the grand total. So see, 36.47% is the gross revenue of the action movies, 16.64% gross revenue of the adventure movies, and so on. So this column should be equal to 100%, but there is no grand total. So what you have to do, you have to go on the design tab. But the question is, one more time I'm going to explain to you from where you will get this pivot table analyze and design tabs. If you will click on the blank screen, so there is no more design and analyze tab. So do not worry about it. Just click on your pivot table, then you will see pivot table analyze and design. Click on the design and in the layout group, this is the grand totals. Open this. Here now it is off, so you have to click on for rows and columns. So click here, then you will see 100%. So this is the total of 100% gross revenue of all the movies. One more thing here, suppose if I will pick any country or two or three countries, suppose I'm going to pick Australia here, and then I will say that I need the color movies of all the movies of Australia. So see, this is the 55.49% total gross revenue of the action movies, 18.43% of the adventure movies, and so on. So please be careful when you will show to your audience. If you want to show the total gross revenue of all the movies of all the categories, so you have to clear the filter. Sometimes the students do this mistake. So how you will clear the filter, what you have to do, this is pivot table analyze. Click here in the actions group, go here, clear filters. In one shot your all the filters will clear and you will see all here. But you can open it one by one, you can do the same thing, right? If you want to show the same thing, this is the vertically horizontally. So this genre I will take here. So see, now this is 36%. I will close this. So you will see total at the end 100%, right? If you want, you can pick few categories. So instead of select all, I will pick action, adventure, animation, crime, and drama, right? So you can see easily 100%. Okay, so do not worry, where is my field? Right click, show field list, it will come here. If I bring my country here, so you will see this is all the countries are here. And if you want to see the grand total, here is grand total is 00. How you will make it show values as percentage of a row total. So the row total is 100%. It means that in Afghanistan there is only drama movies are there, which is 100%. Take the example of Australia, there are 62.99% action movies, 20.69% gross revenue of the adventure movies, and so on. Total is 100%. If you want to see the total vertically, so what you have to do, right click here, show values as, and here you have to click percentage of column total. Now you will see your column wise there is 100%. I will show you here. So now see, our column is 100%, but our rows are not 100%. So at a time you can see 100% row wise or column wise according to your situation. Again, if you want to see your row wise, right click show values as, and this is the row. So now you will see 100%, but your column is not 100%. So again I will say that at a time you will see 100%. It depends on your situation, row wise or column wise, right? So how easy it is show values as. So practice this. subscribe to my channel. We will see some more functions of show values as in the next lesson, and thank you.